Hi, have you ever wondered what it's like to be a 4-week-old puppy? Hi, my name is Janice Jones and I'm from Miracle Shih Tzu, and today I'm going to introduce you to a small litter of Shih Tzu puppies that are 4 weeks old. Now this is a very exciting time for a little puppy because they've basically kind of woken up out of a long hibernation. They've been eating and sleeping and then repeating the process over and over again for the last 3 weeks. But by the time they're 4 weeks old, they're starting to really be interested in their environment. So we do a lot of different things with puppies at this age. Of course, the routine stuff of worming and clipping nails and keeping them clean is always important. We introduce them to food for the first time, and that's a very messy process. And oftentimes, moms have decided that they've had enough with the cleaning, and so the breeder ends up doing a lot more cleaning now. And they're more active, they start playing with each other. They're still not quite into the toys just yet, but that will come in another week or two. So are you ready to meet my litter of 3 Shih Tzu puppies who are 4 weeks old? Come on, let's go. Hello, puppies. How are you? Are you ready for me to give you some worming medicine? Get your nails clipped? Fix up your food? See, we have a big dish of food here that nobody's eating. So we're going to first off make it taste a little bit better. So I'm just adding a little bit of puppy formula. Give it an interesting flavor. And it's warming it up a little bit. Oopsie. One thing we do need to learn is not to walk in your food. Does that smell good? Come here. You want to see if you can eat some of this? So before we can figure out how much medicine to give you for worming, we have to find out how much you weigh. So who wants to be first? Here we go. I have a taker right here. This is Rio. And these are all pretty big puppies. Two pounds, 4.8 ounces. Okay, so now we have Ginger. And she is 2.8. Come on, Ginger. Back in here. And finally, we need to find Tibbet. Where are you, Tibbet? There you are. Stay still. $2.9. All right, so now we know how much they weigh. And here's Tibbet. Oh, these new taste sensations. This is actually Nemex 2, and I'll put a link down at the bottom in case you're interested. It's good for hookworms, roundworms. Pretty much that's it. But it's a good worming medicine to get started on. As you recall, in week 2, we also wormed them. So the next worming that will happen in another 2 weeks, we will be using a different worming medication that will cover more worms, more intestinal parasites. So you did good. Everybody did good with their wormings. You gonna take a sip of water? Rio? But maybe you might try out the water. Mostly they just want attention. And that's what I like to do, is give them attention. You like having your ears scratched. One of the favorites for Shih Tzus, right behind the ears. You too? You like your ears scratched? A lot of their day is just exploring. Put a water bottle in here, but I think it's a little bit too high for them still. But they'll watch Mama drink from it. Eventually they might end up drinking out of the water bottle too. It's a handy thing if you have a puppy that has a white face. Well, puppies, I think I've made a long enough video. I think it's time to say goodbye. Bye, puppies.